We can go across to our international affairs editor, Philip Turle. Philip, the EU Commission President has warned the bloc could halt vaccine exports to the UK. What's this row about?
OK, well, there are two words that sum this up, Delano. The first one is reciprocity and the second one is proportionality. And if you look at the sentence that was said by Ursula von der Leyen, the EU Commission President, she said we want to see both of those in exports and we're ready to use whatever tool we need to deliver on that. This is about making sure that Europe gets its fair share. What she's basically saying is that the EU is not having a level playing field with the UK. The UK is not playing ball. The EU's exported 10 million doses to the UK in the past 6 weeks, and the UK has exported nothing to the EU. So she said, we want those doses that the UK has promised to us. If we don't get them, basically, we're going to stop shipping doses of our vaccines overseas back to the UK.
And what has the reaction been from the UK?
Well, as you can probably imagine, not a particularly warm reaction. Pretty nasty headlines in many of the papers today. Proof the EU will never let go. That's the headline in the Daily Express. Or we'll grab your jabs in Metro. The British response basically is it not only backed the development of the vaccines, the AstraZeneca vaccines in the first place, but it also ordered them first, so it should have priority. And therefore, it doesn't want to send them over until at least 100 million doses are given to the UK first. Now, the Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab has even gone as far as to accuse the EU of behaving like less democratic countries. And even one government minister in the UK today has described Ursula von der Leyen as a dictator.
How far do you think the EU is really willing to go, and how much of a role has Brexit played in all of this?
Well, first of all, I don't think the EU is going to go all the way because it simply knows that if it does stop shipping vaccines to the UK, what will happen? Well, the UK will stop shipping vaccines back to the EU, even if it says it hasn't shipped any so far. But it does have the means, the EU, to stop shipping vaccines. There is a clause in the EU treaty, clause Article 122, which can allow for a ban on exports. Whether or not they'll actually use that remains to be seen. But now that the UK is not in the EU anymore, it's an easy target. I think there's certain jealousy or enviousness amongst certain EU members about the 25 million who've been vaccinated in the UK compared to only, for example, 7 million in France. So they say, well, look, we want our vaccines. There's a lot of trouble over AstraZeneca. We need those vaccines in the EU as quickly as possible to kickstart our vaccination campaign. And there's no way that Britain should be holding those vaccines back.
Philip, thank you very much for that. Philip Turle there.